What's good? So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down why I currently just bought Doge and why I recently just bought Bat as well. So we're going to start off with Doge. So I started off on a daily time frame in which I see we have this level here that has been respected over and over again. Here, 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 here. And even if I extended this to the left, we can kind of say it respected here, here, and so on, right? So not only that, I see we are in an uptrend, as you can see right here, creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high. And now we have created a higher low, right? And from here, what I do is once I know the trend, once I see a level that I like, I draw out a fib in which I draw it from this low point to this high point. And my favorite level that the market comes to is at 786, 886. And I always say that because you can always have the biggest upside when it comes to that trade, meaning your reward can be a lot larger than taking it from that 0.5618 that a lot of people use. And I use that sometimes too. But that 786 to 886 area is a lot better, right? And so went down to the hourly, seeing we got this break here. And I like the break because this is a level where the market was rejecting. And so after this break, I ended up calling a buy. So we're looking to see if we can get the market to push up to there. TP1 would be about here in this area, right? But we're looking to see if we can get a potential 4+R, right? Same setup on BAT, in which off the daily time frame, once again, I'm seeing this level where we're seeing rejections, right? It's a level that the market is holding over and over again, as you can see. And I actually have training. I have a training on levels, and I actually have a training on trends as well on my YouTube channel, so you can check those out. But as you can see, this level is being respected, right? Not only that, we're seeing we have our 1, 2, 3 movement, which lets us know we are in a uptrend. We're in an uptrend since we've seen this, right? And it's creating higher highs, higher lows, and this is a potential higher low, looking to create a potential higher high, right? Same thing, went down to the hourly, zoomed out to try to find the level I need to see a break above. And this one's actually already, hit, but I'm still holding, right? Reason why I chose this level is because this is a level the market just kept rejecting, right? If you can master levels, if you can master trends, then you will make money, my friend. But as you can see, it's rejecting. And once it broke through, it took off. Just like this broke through, and I entered off the breakthrough here. And as you can see, it has already hit a 1R, right? So I'm already up. But it's still potentially a lot more space. Like if it gets up to this high, that's almost a 10R trade. A 10R trade. Like, put it in perspective, right? You can risk 1% on this trade and make 10%. So if you got $1,000 account, you'll be risking $10 to make 100. Right? Or even if you wanted to be a little bit more aggressive, let's say you're risking 3%. You're risking 3% to catch 30%. So again, if you got $1,000 account, you risk $30, you just made 300. Right? So huge move. And like I said as well, on the Doge, it's a 4-hour trade. So you're risking 10, you're making 40, you're risking 30, you're making 120. So both of these are trades worth taking, right? That's the biggest thing. You got to make sure the trades that you're entering in are worth taking, right? Where you're getting a larger reward or have the potential for a larger reward than what you are risking. But these are the two trades that I'm in. So we're going to see what happens. Like I said, BAT has already been a winning trade. I could close it out and say, hey, I made a 1R, meaning I doubled my money. But I'm going to continue to hold it to see what it's going to do. But if you are looking for a Telegram group where you get these signals, where I call out these trades, where I do these trainings, live sessions, and all that sort of stuff, I do have a free Telegram group in which I will link down below. So definitely check that out. If you like these type of videos, definitely like, comment, and subscribe. and I'll continue to post these type of videos. But this is the reason. These are the steps and the breakdown of what I looked at to enter in both Bat and Doge. And as you can see, I'm up some money on it. So other than that, I'm going to see you on the next video, and I will provide updates later.